How to change font in Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change font in Roblox. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First of all, find the font that you like. For that, you can head over to this website. You can simply search for the font like this and you'll find this website. You can head over to it. And after you're here, you can find the font you want to download. So let's say that I want to download this one. I'll just tap on download and then a zip file should start downloading. Here you can see. Now, after it has been downloaded, what you'll need to do is you can extract all of that in a different folder, which we will be doing in a bit. So for now, what we'll do is search for Roblox here on our Windows search. Then from here, tap on Open File Location. After you open up the file location, you'll need to right-click on Roblox Player again. And then head over to its file location. Tap on Open File Location again. And there we are. Now from here, what you'll need to do is head over to the Content folder. Tap on Content. Then there you'll find the Fonts option. You can open up the Fonts option. And there you'll find the list of different fonts. So now right here you can see the previous downloaded fonts. I'll just extract this for now. Tap on extract all. And you can choose whichever file location that you want. I'll just keep it at downloads for now. Then tap on extract. After it's been extracted, you'll find it like this. Now from here, you will need to remove the font that you want to remove. So normally, if you have multiple fonts available right here, what you can do is from this side, that is from the Roblox folder, you'll need to remove 5 different fonts. So let me show you which they are. So these are the fonts that we will be removing from this folder. First is Arimo Bold, Arimo Regular, and scroll down and you'll find Source Sans Pro Bold, Source Sans Pro Light, and Source Sans Pro Regular. So what we'll do here is we'll just create another folder in this font folder to store the Roblox fonts. So I'll just name it Bold Fonts and keep it there, just in case that I want to switch it back, and bring the 5 different fonts back here. After you do that, you will find the font that you want to add there. Now, what you'll need to do here is, what you can do is, since we have 5 different fonts right here, we will just copy and paste it till we make 5 of it. And after we have 5 of it, let me just open this. So you can see we have 5 of those old fonts from Roblox. What we'll have to do is take the name of this and change this. What we'll do is we'll simply replace the fonts. This is just changing the name, nothing more. We can simply change the name and we'll then place it back in the Roblox folder. So keep on doing this. And after you've done that, you can then simply take these fonts and drag it and drop it right here. And now all of those 5 new fonts have been added to Roblox. And depending on the game you play, you will find these fonts. And that's how you do it, guys. That's how you change your Roblox's font. Now, keep in mind that not all the fonts will get changed, since Roblox, it depends on the game that you play. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.